How to buy meme coin on Phantom wallet. So first of all, we have to go to this Phantom website, right, and download this wallet extension for your browser or mobile device. So this is here. Once you just go and click on, this is one of the extension which I've added on my web browser here. Now click on this Phantom icon and click on create new wallet. So I've already did. To create a wallet, you just need 15 15-digit character you will get. You have to keep it safe somewhere and then create a strong password. That's it. You need to purchase SOL to buy meme coin. So to do this, you can just go and click on buy and search for SOL, that is Solana, and enter the account that is already selected, your wallet, enter the amount and pay the amount and click on buy. Right, once you buy, it will show how much you have. Right, now sign up to Binance and verify your identity and purchase as well using preferred method. If you purchase as well on exchange, you need to transfer to your Phantom wallet here. Copy your Phantom wallet address and paste it into the withdrawal section of your exchange. Use a DEX like Radium to swap SOL for meme coin. If you don't know Radium, Radium is something like DEX exchange here. So just go and click on it and open it up here, this website. Now, as you can see here, Phantom wallet is connected. Make sure you just go and click on the top right side corner and click on connect. Automatically it will get connected here. Now here you can just go and buy a meme coin, right, and then you can pay with your SOL, right, by using your Phantom wallet and click on just swap, right, and confirm your transaction in your Phantom wallet. Your meme coin will be credited to your wallet once transaction is processed on the Solana blockchain. This is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.